what's up? In this video, I want to talk about a brilliant component named aerodynamics, which basically allows you to do a lot of powerful things in Framer. So this is the component that you actually see. Actually, this is the website which uses aerodynamics in multiple ways. Now, what this allows you to do is you can have different elements on the screen respond to your mouse pointer. So as an example, we have some knobs here that basically are going to respond to my pointer. Isn't that amazing? Similarly, we have this particular dial that actually responds to my mouse pointer. We have a bunch of different things. We have this particular loop as well that's going to respond to our mouse pointer. We can obviously play around with this as well. This is going to show you how the different interactions are actually going to behave based on the thing that I actually select. And you can obviously come down, you can play around with a bunch of different elements. And this website actually has a lot of different things. So once you actually download the component, you're going to get a lot of these capabilities, which you can actually go ahead and then tweak. You have object controls, you have special dynamics, you have motion controls, and I mean, it's amazing. This example actually shows the different types of effects that you can actually achieve. So you have accelerators. So if you move your mouse near to a particular element, it's going to accelerate. You have amplifiers, it's going to increase the size. You have convergences where all of these arrows are actually going to start pointing close to where your mouse is. And you have a bunch of these different effects that you can actually achieve using aerodynamics. One other example that I just want to show really quickly is it's this particular interaction. Now, as you can see, when you're moving your mouse, it's actually rotating this particular thing. You have the light rotating. This particular thing is also following the light. You have some things at the back, and I mean, amazing stuff that you actually get with this particular thing with aerodynamics. So definitely do check it out.